Hi guys, tonight we're going away. It's just a few days. I just got a little rest here, and Aiden is brought some food cause I haven't got dinner yet. Yeah, it's been busy preparing what we got, what we need, what things need to get ready. Kids thing, even few days need to be take with us because kids. So all morning I've been busy to get ready. Even cooking food, I got no idea. I just prepared kids breakfast, lunch, and I don't bother myself, and I didn't brought some food. We'll see what he got some for me, because I need to eat some food before we go. Because tonight we're going to travel. We have a look what he bought for me. Just a box of food, I think. I'm going to check, and I can eat what kind of food he got. So I will see. Yeah, have a look. Well, let's see. Okay, what is this? That what he got? Is this loads of food? Yeah, we have a look this guys, what kind of food. Just myself and just going to eat this one. Because oh, this chicken. Yeah, chicken guys. So this is it, what he brought for me. Yeah. Chicken like laga in Filipino the way we cook guys. Yeah, laga. I like this one. This is I'm going to eat this one. Yeah, chicken laga. His friend cooked that one. That one I'm going to eat today. Yeah. Because he knows I'm busy to prepare kids need. Even though we're not, yeah, it's very hard work if kids going away. Very hard work. Prepare everything what they need. So I got no time to cook for myself. What is this? Oh, salad. Salad, guys. Yeah. I can't eat all this. because tonight, like we're going to travel like 12 o'clock. It's nice to travel if nighttime here, guys, because no traffic. So we're going away for few days. Yeah, and even few days. This is biryani, guys, and just this one I'm going to eat. Problem is the kids is not really eating rice. It depends, but if I'm cooking adobo, guys, yeah, they're going to eat adobo and rice, but it's not really many. Yeah, this one is biryani, that what I'm going to eat. This one is like a nilaga sa atin. Yeah, his friend restaurant is the cooking really like lutong bahay. Yeah, that's why he likes it. Like in lutong bahay in sa atin. Yeah. But look, what is this? Yeah, that what he is. I'm just the one to eat, and look what amount of food. I'm hoping more rice. More rice. Who's eating this? More rice. And yeah, I just put that one here. Lots of order, he think. I don't know. And this one, rice again. I'm hoping if MJ I can call MJ in. How come? Is we're going away tonight? This is mental. Yes, rice again. Yeah, loads. Okay. Yeah, this is naan bread, guys. Handmade. Yeah. Look. Yeah. My mom-in-law, my sister-in-law made this one. He always making this one. Oh, kids got a chicken wrap. This is the favorite of the kids. Yeah, chicken wrap. Look, I'll show. Yeah, chicken wrap. That what the called. That one. Yeah, it's got salad and chicken inside. Yeah, that what they like. So they can eat if they want it later before we going away. Okay, have a look in here. What is this? That what he is. So I can't, if you know, if I'm cooking in the house, nobody is eating. So what I'm doing, I just prepare food for kids, and if the girls coming, MJM, Love de la Serna, I'm going to cook Filipino. This one is like yeah, it's is meat. Yeah, it's lamb soup. Look guys, look. Very fresh. Yeah. That what is the way they cook is like us as well. Yeah, they're not putting what color for food. He doesn't like that one. The way they cook is same Filipinos cooking. So I'm not eating this one. I'm just put in there. I don't know. It just this one is gonna be waste because it's we going away. I cannot I can't call any friend because we going away and I got no idea why he ordered this amount of food. I'm looking for okra guys because he knows I'm eating okra. What is this again? Because Aiden doesn't like food like patty is like burger something. Yeah, he's ordering loads of meat. Ordering loads of meat. Is if like in McDonald's or KFC, he doesn't like it, but no choice. If kids fancy, so we have to take kids sometimes because they like I don't know why they like that. Is a beans soup. So yeah, because it's winter, so yeah, this is soup. I just leave it like that. I don't want to waste it. You just leave it like that. We can't take this anyway because in the hotel is not allowed. This one so leave it in the house. I don't know why. That's why if I'm not holding myself, I'm really going to put lots of weight. And if I'm not, yeah, it's meat again. If I'm always eating meat, another meat. Can't take in with us this one because he paid the food as well in the hotel. Yeah, I think I like this one. It's a vegetable, guys. Yeah, I like this one. It's a talong. Yeah, aubergine. I'm going to eat this one, guys. Yes. See, I'm going to eat that one. I'm looking for okra, guys. Oh dear. No, this is a lentil soup, guys. Lentils. Just leave it that one. cooking is this one. He knows I'm going to eat okra. What is this? Yeah, is it? Look. Okra. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I like. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. So I'm going to eat this one. Mom? Yeah. I'm having salad as well a little bit. Yeah. What? Look at that. Box of food, I don't know what. Just myself and look. Yeah. Yeah, that is okra. Yeah, with soup. Okay. I'm going to eat. And in a minute,